Welcome back. In our previous lesson, we talked about the alphabets of Igbo language. Remember, I told you that we have 36 alphabets. What is 36 again? Yes, correct. Iriatona is C. Iriatona is C. So, I remember I told you that we have the consonants and the vowels of Igbo language. So, today we are going to look into the vowels and the consonants of Igbo language. We call the vowels Oda Ume, Oda Ume, Oda Ume vowels. Then the consonants, we call them Mbochi Ume, Mbochi Ume. We'll look into them one after the other. But let's treat Oda Ume today, which is what? Oda Ume is what? Vowels. Good. Oda Ume vowels. So, the Igbo language has 8 vowels. 8 vowels. Unlike the English that has just 5 vowels. So, Igbo have 8 vowels. If you want to say it in Igbo, you will say Oda Ume Igbo di asato. Oda Ume Igbo di asato. That is, the vowels of Igbo language are 8. Asato means 8. Asato. Asato. 8. Then vowels means Oda Ume. Now, let's list the vowels of Igbo language. We have A, I, O, E, I, O, U. We have A, E, I, O, U, O. These are the 8 vowels of Igbo language. These vowels are divided into two. We have the light vowels and the heavy vowels. In Igbo, we call it Oda Ume Mfe na Oda Ume Aro. Oda Ume Mfe na Oda Ume Aro. Oda Ume Mfe is light vowels. Oda Ume Aro are the heavy vowels. Now, let's look into the light vowels. The light vowels are A with all those vowels with diacritic marks under them. They are A, E, O. These are the light vowels. Oda Ume Mfe. Oda Ume Mfe gụnyere A, E, O. Now, let's see the heavy vowels. The light vowels are 4 in number. Then the heavy vowels are also 4 in number. And they include Oda Ume Aro now, heavy vowels, Oda Ume Aro. They include E, I, O, U. That is E with other vowels without diacritic marks. You know, the 2 vowels, they resemble each other, but that diacritic mark, that dot under each letter, made it different from the other one. It brought about the difference in the pronunciation and even in the meaning. So that dot, those dots under those letters are so significant. They are very, very important. Don't just see it as a design. They are very important, and it's what bring about the difference between the 2 similar letters that resemble and 2 similar letters. So I said that the heavy vowels include a with other letters, with other vowels that doesn't have diacritic mark. In summary, I told you that we have 8 vowels. We say ụdaume Igbo dị asatọ. Ụdaume Igbo dị asatọ. They are divided into 2. Ekere ha ụzọ abụọ. Ekere ha ụzọ abụọ. Abụọ means 2. That is, they are divided into 2. They include ụdaume mfe, which is the light vowels, and ụdaume arọ, which is the heavy vowels. I said earlier that we have ụdaume mfe, which are a, I, o. Ụdaume arọ include a, I, o, u. With this, we will come to the end of the lesson. See you in my next class. I hope you learned something. Until then, bye.